Hello, I'm just a bit tired of the day. 2.5 liter NC dry sump engine. We changed some stuff internals on the head, and we got a different way to make the RPM synchronization to run full sequential, and we changed to a Chenway ITB to test it out. We've here another ITB car, just made the engine, got the engine back in. It will get a half-size cooler, but now for testing it runs the full size. That car, same for maintenance, got a timing belt change and all that stuff. This car here is for turbo and some exhaust and front brake changing. Yeah. So this is actually the part out of the workshop, and on the other side, let me have a look. Go over to the engine department and all this stuff.
You could explain what you did the last 2 to 3 hours.
I just tried to get Nicos rotary car running, which is a pain in the ass, but we will. Everything needs some time, and then it goes. So this is an engine which is just completely get new seals and all that stuff, because it was leaking like hell. It's for a customer. I will get the engine on Thursday, I think so. Yeah, so this is this stuff, and yeah, the rest you see in the video. Today I'm done. So see you next video, hopefully with more power, more happy. Yeah, I'm not sad, actually. I'm just tired. Yesterday was long. All the last weeks were long. This week is long. Just get cars out. Okay, see you soon. Bye.